Yo, what's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Henry Marr, back at it with another video. Before we get to the video, can you please subscribe? I'm almost at 600 subs. Really trying to hit that, but make sure to sub, comment, and hit that like button. But let's get into this video. Okay, guys, so as you see in the title, I finally went and got me some slicks. Now, the slicks may not be too in good condition, but you see it's enough for me to get a few runs at the track. So show you guys the little dots. It's enough for me to get a few runs at the track, so that's pretty good. So let me show you guys the other one. Pretty not too bad condition, but this one's pretty worn. Enough for me to get a couple uses at the track. Now what I'm thriving for is, hold on, let me get this steady. What I'm thriving for after putting these on is to run under a A4, because when I ran the A4, I still had a little spin. I wish I had the video of me with the A4, but we didn't have nobody to record for us. So basically with these, I'm trying to hit under 8.4. Now mind you, my car is completely stock. I don't want to do nothing to it really until I can find out my best time stock, so I then mod my car there on and see what I can run after I find out my best time with a stock car. But with these slicks, I shouldn't have no spin. I should be running, like ripping right off the line. Now what I think I'll run with this is probably, I'll say probably like a 8.3. 8.2 is really pushing it, but you never know, so ain't no way to know until we test them. So I'm going to the track this Thursday. Not too sure if I'm gonna have my rim. Hopefully I have my rim so I can run my car. If so, I'm gonna have a grudge race with my boy number 4, Brandon. Make sure y'all go check him out. But as you guys know, as I said in my previous video, my boy Russ and Boogeyman got a grudge race going on this Thursday. So stay tuned for both of their content. They both should be dropping that video on their channel. But all right, guys, so before I get into my actual current setup, let me stop this from rolling. These are a 275 45 18, so it is, I do need an 18-inch rim for these. But my current setup is a 275 35 20 Goodyear Eagle F1s. Now these, I have a real big wheel gap when I put these on because of the 35, but these I got them used, so it's a street tire, by the way. Every time I do digs, my whole car just like goes sideways. I'm gonna see if I can get a clip. Have a lot of smoke coming from the back, so hopefully when I throw these on, should have no problem with traction at all and I just rip off. But these are, by the way, these are Peralli P0 slicks. We're gonna see if this is a good tire. So I gotta say, the reason I didn't go with the 305 slicks is because I was told the wider you go without all that power, you'll be losing about a second or two with the not a second or two, about 2 miles per hour worth of speed while you're going down the track. So I just went with the 275s. If these don't work out, I'm gonna for sure go to a wider diameter and go with a 305. But probably finna go ahead to go get some rims now. The rims I'm planning on getting is some Bravados tributes. So my boy Russ had them on his scat pack, so we're gonna see how this turns out.
What is it?
Dodge Charger RT.